Digital key moments. Share your active BMW Digital Key between Android and iPhone, and vice versa. Our other how-to videos show you how to activate a digital key. Open your wallet on your smartphone. With your digital key selected, press the Share symbol. Choose how you want to share your BMW Digital Key. Any messaging app will work. Name the shared digital key to identify it later in the car. Optionally, restrict the key, for example, for young drivers. Verify your identity. Choose a receiving contact and go ahead to send the key. Back in your wallet, you see the activation code, which is needed by the receiver to fully activate the shared key in the car. For added security, give your contact this code by phone or send it via different messaging app. As the receiver, click on the link to add the shared digital key to your wallet. And continue. Now you can already unlock the vehicle. To fully activate the key, click on Activate in the Digital Key menu. Type in the received code to activate your shared digital key. Done! You're ready to go. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.